just see another special seeding cases. It's a different. Generally, in the first case, where 20 teams are there, we are not putting buys. Why we are not putting buys? That we have to understand that 4 teams are seeded. If we deduct 4 teams from this 20, that becomes 16. So naturally, when we have 16 teams, we can arrange these fixtures nicely. Now another part you see, we have 16 teams, and 16, that is a number which is in power of 2, which is in power of 2. So in a normal fixtures, we do not need to put any buys. But if question says, prepare a knockout fixtures of 16 teams in which 4 teams are seeded to the quarterfinals, so we have to go out of the rules. Now you see we have 4 teams which are seeded, and they will start playing from the quarterfinal round. And if we leave these teams, these 4 teams, so 16 minus this 4, what is the number that we get? That is 12. 12, that is a number, of course, we have to adjust with this 12 matches first round, second round. That is why if we prepare fixtures, we need to put buys here. So if we minus this 12 from the 16, what number that we get? That is 4, and we have to put this 4 buys here, and we have to put these 4 buys as per the rules. You see, this is special. So first buy here, second buy here, third buy here, fourth buy here. Leave these special cases, and then if we prepare these fixtures, you see first round matches will be between 3 and 4, 5 and 6 here. Here it is 11 and 12, 13 and 14. Next, in the second round, you see bye versus this, the team which gets bye. Here also second round like this. And in the third round, of course, here, there is the quarterfinal round. These teams, they start playing with the special seeding cases, and then we have the semi-final rounds, and then we have the final rounds. So in the special seeding cases, for arranging fixtures and running those matches smoothly, we may need to go with the more number of rounds, or maybe we have to adjust buys. So we have to see first what is the number and how to adjust, then we can prepare these fixtures. Thank you.